We have noticed there is quite a bit of water coming out from somewhere in the crane if it's been parked like this in the rain and you fall it out. I tried opening up some of the covers and see if there was dirt buildup that might have caused water buildup in the next step, but nothing could be found, so bolted things back in place. The muffler on the exhaust has been bent back a little and it's been hitting the protection up on the cab when you tilt up the cab, and well, it wasn't that big of a deal. We had bent that back a little earlier, so barely touching, but we decided to try and bend it forward a little, so we had arranged with some heat. Material is quite thick, so trying to pull it by hand did nothing, so we brought in the tractor as a place to secure a chain block, bent it a little forward, going back and see if it changed. Ended up over pulling a tiny bit on it, and eventually it ended up sitting like that overnight while it cooled down, and now it looks good. Have a little leak from the thermostat we had problems with earlier, and it's that bottom connection. It's one of those where it's a nut, so it can be locked at any angle, and I have very little success with them. Finding the correct tool, ended up having to cut another tool short, and so it could be on there, and try to hammer on it, but the video footage of that was lost, so I didn't feel like I was able to tighten it, but we'll see. I'll keep track of it. Eventually might have to pull it out once again.